For this second part of the video, we're finding the first three iterates of the function for the given initial value. And I want you to make sure that you write the definition for an iteration from your book before you start this. What we're doing is we're finding when, instead of a sub 1, it's going to be x sub 1, x sub 2, and x sub 3. Here we have our function that they give us. And then we have the first value of x sub 0, which is equal to 2. And so what we're going to do is we're going to plug in x0 into the function. So if x0 is 2, we're plugging in 2 for x, basically. So we're going to say 3, because 3x minus 2 is our function, we're going to say 3. We're going to replace the x with a 2 minus 2. And we know 3 times 2 is 6. And 6 minus 2 is 4. So x sub 1 is 4. There's the first one. And then the second one, we're going to plug in x1. So we're plugging in the previous one. And since we found what x1 is, it's 4, we're going to say 3 times 4 minus 2, which is 12 minus 2, and that is 10. So x2 equals 10. And then you just keep going. So now we're going to plug in x2 for x, which was 10. So 3 times 10 minus 2 is 30 minus 2, which is 28. So essentially you're doing the same thing you did in the previous problems, but I want you to keep this separate because now you no longer see the a's, you see a function, and you see x1, x2, x3, and I didn't want you to get confused.